The U.S. Navy's Rim of the Pacific, or RIMPAC, is a biennial exercise held in and around the Hawaiian Islands and on the west coast of the United States. The world's largest international maritime exercise, RIMPAC provides a unique training opportunity, including a humanitarian assistance and disaster relief exercise with more than 300 volunteers. The volunteers role-play patients from a simulated catastrophic earthquake and tsunami. To increase realism, RIMPAC includes realistic wound stage makeup, or moulage, resembling injuries with protruding glass and rebar, and even broken limbs.
When something really does happen, that shock factor of something looking gruesome or disturbing maybe isn't so shocking because they've seen it in a mass cow practice.
Sergeant Castillo is a soft-spoken and self-proclaimed Army brat from Fort Hood, Texas. The daughter of 2 combat medics, Castillo says she enjoys creating these hyper-realistic training aids.
So this I actually do in my free time when I have the time to do it. I don't use these exact materials. These were a learning curve for me.
Castillo and her team fill a gap in training. Sensory experiences, what is felt, seen, and heard, and sometimes smelled, increases realism and provides shock desensitization to increase readiness. But for Sergeant Castillo, the art of creating these gruesome injuries is just in her blood.
So it's actually something I like to do.
For your Army Medical Command, I'm Jenie Fisher.